Hello everyone, welcome back to another Java episode. Today I'm gonna teach you about the decorator design pattern and how to implement it in Java. I'm gonna teach you the wrong ways to do it, and what it is used for. This pattern allows you to modify an object dynamically rather than statically. You would use it when you want capabilities of inheritance with subclasses, but when you need to add functionality at the same time. It is more flexible than inheritance. It simplifies code because you add functionality using many simple classes. Rather than rewrite old code, you can extend with new code in the decorator design pattern when using it with Java. Let's say you want to have an ice cream shop and you want to very easily add flavors to your ice creams and have description out on receipt. The old way to do this is with inheritance, but it is the wrong way. You might do things like this. You'll make a public abstract class ice cream, and inside it you'll have a public abstract void set description where you'll pass a string description, and you might have a public abstract string method get description, and you might have a public abstract double get price, just like this. What this does is this treats an ice cream as an ice cream, and that's good. This becomes limited. So you want to create a chocolate ice cream. What you would do is extend this ice cream class to the class. What you'll do is you'll make a class chocolate ice cream, and you'll extend the ice cream abstract class, and what you'll do is you'll implement the methods, and inside them in the get description you'll have chocolate, vanilla and strawberry, and in the get price you'll have a 10 double 10. Likewise, this will be your class. This is good, but you have to make classes for all ice creams, not only for chocolate ice cream, but subclasses for all others as well. Another problem is costs are called from all. If one price goes up, we have to change prices for all subclasses to change this. Actually, inheritance is static, but composition is dynamic, which we'll use for this. We must do things dynamically. What if we add this? What will happen if we add public abstract boolean has chocolate? What if we add this? If we add this, this will become havoc. There will be toppings from all ice creams, and that will cause trouble. That's what will happen if we do things this way. So the abstract class will cause havoc in the other classes. So this is not the way to do it. There's a great way to do this. Basically, what we need to do is we have to have ice cream interface, and it will have methods get description and get cost. Then from the ice cream interface we must create a concrete class which shows basics of ice creams. Then from basic concrete ice cream we will make an abstract class on it, and it will be used for the decorator build and decorate description and cost and implement their concrete methods. The ice cream has a relationship with toppings. Every ice cream will have a topping, so that's aggregation. Abstract class will add toppings. We will do this the right way. We'll delete all this here. We'll delete all this, and we will use toppings decorator to decorate it. So first, let's make a public interface ice cream. We'll have public interface ice cream, and inside it we'll have a public string get description, and we'll have a public double get price. Here we have the ice cream interface. Next we must go to plain ice cream. Each ice cream we create will be out of this class. So here we'll make a class plain ice cream, and this will implement the ice cream interface. So now let's override our methods get description and get price. So here we return description as chocolate and vanilla, and the get price will be $4. That's all we have to do to create the concrete class. Next we make the decoration class. It will implement ice cream. So here after this we'll have an abstract class topping decorator. This will implement the ice cream class. This will implement the ice cream class, ice cream interface. We'll have inside it we'll have protected ice cream temp ice cream, and we'll have a constructor made for our topping decorator. We say public topping decorator, and inside we'll pass ice cream and new ice cream, and in here we say temp ice cream equals to new ice cream. Now we'll copy these. Now we'll have a public string get description, and here we'll return temp ice cream dot get description, and next thing we'll call the public double get price method, and in here we'll return temp ice cream dot get price. This gives access to everything in topping decorator. This is it for the topping decorator class. Next thing, we'll make a class nuts and extend it to topping decorator. And we'll create constructor matching this super. In it we'll have ice cream, new ice cream, and the super will be new ice cream. And inside it we'll have an S out saying adding cream, and another S out saying adding fruits, adding nuts. And next thing, we'll copy these methods from the topping decorator class and paste them here. And the get description will be returned as cream, and the price will be 5.00. Next thing, we'll make another class. We'll make a public. We'll make a class jelly and extend it with topping decorator. Next thing, we'll create the constructor matching the super class, and inside it we'll have an S out saying sugar coating made. And next thing, we'll copy these two methods from the topping decorator class and paste them here, and we'll change the description to choco droppings, and the price will be 7.00 double. Next thing, we'll have a ice cream maker class. We'll have a class called ice cream maker, and inside it we'll have our main method, and there I'll create an ice cream and add all chocolate to it. I will create plain ice cream, then go to constructor and to the next constructor like this. Now I'll show you the correct way. I'll create ice cream, plain ice cream, and make it equals to new chocolate Well, let's have this like this. We'll have new nuts, and inside it we'll have new jelly, and inside it we'll have new plain ice cream. We have made the object ice cream, plain ice cream, and now we'll have an S out that prints plain ice cream dot get description, and another S out that prints plain ice cream dot get price. Now there you go. This is how we get description from ice cream and get price from ice cream. Now we have made the decorator pattern example that I wanted to teach you. So let's run this and check the output and see what happens. Here we got our ice cream description. We got sugar coating made, adding cream, adding nuts and cream, and we got our price as 5.0 for the plain ice cream. So this is how we make the decorator pattern inside our application. You can use other types of ice cream as well. You can change this like this. You can copy this from here and paste it, and you can say, instead of plain ice cream, you can say basic ice cream, and you can copy this from here and paste it here and here, and instead of new nuts and new jelly, we can say new jelly, and we can say new plain ice cream, and let's get the result for this. We got sugar coating made, choco droppings and 7.0 as the price. We'll comment this out and check it here. So for the basic ice cream, we used jelly and the sugar coating was made and choco droppings were added and the price became 7 for the basic ice cream. So this is how we make use of the decorator pattern in Java. I think you got a clear understanding about how to do the decorator pattern in Java, and it is a way of composition, and it is better than inheritance when using it. This pattern is used to decorate our classes and provide good implementation of the code. So this is it for today's lesson, and I'll see you in another lesson with another design pattern another day. So till then, goodbye guys, and please take care.